Energy, the ability to do work and make things move. Power, energy that makes something work. Work to use, energy to do something. Electricity, a type of energy carried through wires to make things run. Heat, a type of energy that makes something warmer. Light, a type of energy that lets us see. Battery, antenna that stores and saves energy. Charge to put energy into something. Machine, a device or object that makes or does something. Sound, a type of energy that lets us hear. Source, where something comes